Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Rellenong Bangus in the oven. First, prepare one whole milkfish weighing around 1.5 pounds. Carefully scale and gut the fish, then remove the meat from the skin, being sure to keep the skin whole. Flake the cooked fish meat, removing all bones, and set it aside for the filling. This initial preparation ensures a delicious and well-presented dish later. Next, let's prepare the flavorful filling for our bangus. In a pan, sauté 1/2 cup of finely diced carrots and 1/4 cup of green peas until tender. Add 1 small diced onion and 3 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until fragrant and softened. Then, combine these sautéed vegetables with the flaked fish meat, seasoning it generously with salt and black pepper for a rich taste. Now, it's time to stuff our fish. Mix the fish and vegetable filling with 1 beaten egg and 1/4 cup of plain breadcrumbs. This helps bind everything together. Carefully spoon this mixture back into the fish skin, gently reshaping it to resemble a whole fish. Securely close any openings with toothpicks to keep the delicious filling inside during baking. For oven baking perfection, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. Carefully place the stuffed bangus on a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Bake the fish for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until the skin turns a lovely golden brown and the filling is completely cooked through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.